Welcome to new young birds of the 11th standard students. My name is O. Silverani. My qualification is a MSc B.Ed and MPhil. My experience is 16 years. Another master name is C. Santrashekhar. His qualification is a MSc BO. His experience is 21 years. So what is botany? So the botany is a branch of biology dealing with the plant anatomy, there is a structure, and plant physiology, there is a functions, including the environmental factors that affects the growth and development. History of the botany. So Aristotle students Theophrastus, the year for the 372 to 287 BC. He is known as the father of botany. His De Historia Plantarum is the first written the literature about the plants. Next, for the Carolus Linnaeus is also known after his ennoblet as a Carl von Linné. He was a Swedish botanist, zoologist, taxonomist, and physician, who formalized the binomial nomenclature and a modern system of naming the organism. So the branches of botany apply to topics. So suppose you have easily to get the job, this course is very important. So you have to complete it in the BSc level of the botany, agronomy. So application of the plant science to crop protections, arboriculture, culture and the propagation of the trees, astrobotany, the study of the plants in the space, biotechnology, use of the plant. So the branches of botany I have told, some of the pictures you have to see. So this is agronomy, this is arboriculture picture, this one is a trentology picture. So this branch is very important. That is a biotechnology. So it's a technology that utilizes the biological systems and living the organism or the parts of these to develop or create the different products. So brewing and packing. So breeds are examples of process that fall within the concept of the biotechnology. So this is a picture of the biotechnology. This is the example for the plant. So what are the benefits of the studying the botany? The botany plays a critical role in many areas of life. The study of the plants in health care and contributes so the development of new medicines and the treatment for major disease, and the botany work in the agriculture help the farmers use a optimum planting and the cultivation techniques to improve the efficiency and the effectiveness when growing the crops. Next topic for the importance of botany. So the botany is important in area of economic productivities because it is involved in the study of crops and ideal growing techniques that helps in the farmer increase the crop yield. The study of plants is also known is important in environmental productions. Now we can see some of the Indian plant breeders. The Indian plant breeders, Dr. M.S. Swaminathan, he is a pioneer mutation breeder. Dr. T.S. Venkatraman, an eminent sugarcane breeder. Dr. B.P. Paul, the famous wheat breeder, and developed a superior disease-resistant varieties of wheat. So next one is Dr. K. Rahim, so eminent rice breeder. The development the several higher yielding the varieties of the rice. The another one is N.G.P. Rao, an eminent sorghum breeder. Sorghum means the maize varieties. So next one is develop the world first hybrid of sorghum. There is a CSH Ban. So another important author for the C.T. and Patel, who developed the world's first cotton hybrid. Then another one is Chaudhry Ram, that is a dot. The wheat breeders, he is famous for C 591 varieties of the wheats, which is Maya, the Punjab as a great and a granary of India, etc. So, what is the meaning for the plant genetics? Also termed as a plant breeders. This profession specialized in the crop cultivations. The plant genetist. So, improve the volume of the edible plants, regard the nutrition, flower, then appearance, yield, and hardness. The working in the laboratories. So, they upgrade the existing crops and birth the new plant varieties. This picture is also maybe one of the method for the biotechnology. So another course for the florist. So this job ensure the botany to grade with the grafting skill is important, very important, and design the talent. The florist is artificially so create the flower arrangement using the fresh and dried and it is artificial blooms. So they may tailor the bouquet to a range of occasions. So including the wedding, birthday and anniversaries, holidays and graduations. So the business hair and flowers is to decorate the receptions and the areas and conference rooms. The florists may also the network in the interior designers and the wedding planners. So this one is the example for the florist's picture. The next one is how to the learn easy way method of the botany. The first is for the ensure you copy the names correctly. So this may sound abuse. So but I always made at least a couple of errors when I the first typed out my study list. If possible, so get someone else to check it and over for you. So another important tips to break the word up. So the long and unfamiliar names, it can be broken into a sound bits so they can also much easier to remember. For example, Calodendron cabansi, Cal o den trum, cabansi. So you have to syllable the sound wise, that is the name. So the syllable the simple the word also. So next one is for the Citrus xylem. Citrus xylem, that is an example, another species name for this and a spinosum. So syllable the Citha, that is a C-I-T-H, Cit, A, Rexy, R-E-X-Y, lum, L-U-M. So easy way to syllable the and a simple way method of the syllable the sentence. அடுத்தது next one is for this spinosum. S-P-I-N-O syllable the separate the word and O sum S-U-M. So in this way, so break up the word up. So long and unfamiliar names, it can be broken into sound bits. This is one of the important tips to easy learn of the botany. The another important tips, that is a third one, is make a story from the sound bits. Create a story from the sound bits from the first idea that pops in your mind. So for example, the Carumpia Citridora. So my story was Dora. The explorer liked to wear the hair humboots on the trips to Rio. Another one important tips, suppose you have to read the family names, the end of the family name is always end in AZA. This means that you only need to learn the first part of each family name, so it is easier than its first looks. For example, Acanthaceae ACA is a lost ACEAE. Then add ACA. So the color variations they may be remain. Okay, so this method is an easy method. Whenever you have to read any family names, the variations you may be given. It is an easy method also. Solanaceae. Then another one is a Bromelaceae. So this one is a another important method to remember the family names. Another one important tips for this, look up the meaning of a botanical names. So botanical names are mainly the Latin or the Greek based. So or there are the parts of the world or worth knowing the because they will come up frequently. So it also makes a studying a more interesting. It is helpful to have a reference book or ebook, but you can search online for meaning. For examples, edulis means edible. Then Taxicarius means poisonous. Album means white. Then Orientalis means the relating to the Oriental. The Scadan means gleaming. Then Bindless means hanging. So another important tips is so to get your friend or family to adopt a botanical name. So I either do this by thinking of which plants remind me that people or posting them on your social media and asking the people pick out their own plant. This is also a helpful later on when you need to remember features of the plant such as salt tolerance or height because you can like this to the person. Example for this one picture is also maybe. Another important tips for make a flashcard. So these are the great for practicing especially before identification exams. So draw a print out a picture of a plant on the front and write the botanical name on the back. Making an album of photos on your phone can also help. This is one of the best method. So end of a career. So the botany is only the science. You cannot live without air, water and a food all come through the plants. Learning more about them may not only save your life, but it may make it better too. Thank you so much students. You have to select out in botany. So you will get a good job, a beautiful life also.